From magical mandalas to roaring dinosaurs, there's a coloring book out there for everyone. And while they've always been popular, it seems they are more popular than ever. Just take a look here on Amazon. There are billions of coloring books. Let's say you want to start making your own coloring books and sell them on Amazon. Well, you are in luck because, hey there, and how are you doing? In this video, I am going to show you how you can create your own coloring books with AI and sell them on Amazon KDP. So are you excited? Well, let's dive right in. So let's first head over to ChatGPT to get some ideas what kind of coloring book we're going to make. So let's ask the following. I want to create coloring books. Please give me coloring book ideas. Okay, that is an amazing list. Now let's pick the dinosaur one. And now let's ask this to get some image prompts. Okay, I will choose Dinosaur Park. Please give me image prompts for that coloring book, because I am going to use an AI image generator to create the illustrations for the coloring book. That is perfect. Now I will show you two ways of creating these images. First, we are going to create them in Leonardo AI. Leonardo AI is an amazing free-to-use AI image generator where you will get daily new credits. Now add the prompt here, and on the left we can change the aspect ratio. Let's set it to 9x16 to get a vertical image. When you have selected Legacy Mode, which is in the right corner, you can change here the fine-tune model to your liking. The fine-tune model basically determines the look and feel of your image. As you can see, I've also tried out some of the coloring books models, but they weren't so good. Now I will use this one and press on Generate. After like 30 seconds, it will be done. That is amazing. Now download one you like most. Next up, search on Google for an AI coloring book generator. I found this one, for example. It is called coloringbook.ai. After you've signed in with your Google account, click on Generate AI Coloring Page. Now it is really simple. Upload the image and press Generate Now. After a few seconds to a minute, it will be done. And you will get two versions. Wow, that looks amazing. Let's download this one. Let's try this process again and start by generating a fresh new image in Leonardo AI. Let's download this one. And now upload it again on the coloring book website. This is just perfect. Now I am going to show you the other method to create the coloring book images. For that, you need a Mid-Journey subscription. Now there are two prompts that work exceptionally well. The first one, a cheerful flat coloring page for a children's book. The scene is, and now insert here the ChatGPT prompt. And we are going to add the 9x16 dimensions to the prompt. Just look at the result. That is just amazing. Now the second prompt goes like this. A production-ready flat coloring black and white drawing of, now insert the prompt from ChatGPT here, inspired by Leo Leuppi, Reddit, sōsaku hanga, kawaii chibi, field journal line art, children's illustration, flat coloring, and of course add the 9x16 dimension prompt. Just look at this. These look really cool. I will also download this one. This one will come in handy for when we will need to create our cover for the coloring book. And obviously, you will need a whole lot more images. But for the sake of this tutorial, I have got enough images now to continue. Next up, we are going to create and finalize our coloring book in Canva. Canva is free to use, and they also have a 30-day free pro trial available. Now search for ebook and select a blank template to get started. Next, we are going to upload our first image to the canvas like this. Let's add a title and resize it. You could also consider adding informational text here, but that is all up to you. You can also leave this blank. Okay, now comes a cool trick to work super fast. Click on Duplicate Page. Now upload the next image and click on Uploads. Now drag the new image on top of the old image, and magic will happen. Nice, right? That was super fast. Let's create the other pages like that too. Since we need a minimum of 24 pages, I'm going to duplicate the pages now enough times. When you are done, click on Share, Download. And now make sure you change the file type to PDF print. And then click on Download. Okay. Now we can go to Amazon KDP and create an account there. Here we can sell our books all over the world. It is free and amazing. Once you are signed in, you will see this. Now click Create. And press Create Paperback. Now we need to add the book title, etc. So let's go quickly to ChatGPT and ask the following. Please give me a title, description and tags, separated with commas for this coloring book. Okay, amazing. Now copy and paste it into Amazon KDP. For the author name, you can pick any name you want. Colorado Publishing sounds fun. Let's add the description. Select that you own the rights. Now select the category. I will choose child books. Let's add the tags and then we can continue. You could also choose to schedule the release date here, but we will click on Release Now and press Save and Continue. Now press on Assign ISBN. Next up, we can choose the different ink and paper type, but we will just use the black and white interior with white paper. The trim size shout be 6x9. There is no bleed, and we can choose to make the cover matte or glossy. I think glossy will be great. Now click on Upload Manuscript and upload the PDF from Canva. Now click on Upload a cover you already have. Now we need to create the cover for our book. We will first go on Google and search for the Amazon KDP cover calculator. This page right here. Now you need to fill everything in that applies to your book. Press on Calculate Dimensions and now download the template. Next up, we are going to drag this template we downloaded onto Canva. Now find the file and press Use in Design. Now we are going to create the cover. And remember that the right side is the front and the left is the back of the book. Let's add some text. Let's pick this shape and make a book binding. You could also consider adding text here. Okay, to make sure we did everything right and nothing is over the red lines, let's duplicate the template and put it on top and turn down the opacity. Okay, that looks good. Now export this also as a PDF print. Now go back to the Amazon KDP page and upload the cover. Okay, that is perfect. Now you could also add that it is AI generated content. That is all up to you. And now press on Launch Previewer. This will take some time, but this is important so we can see if we did everything right and how our book will look like when it is being printed. Look at that. That looks amazing. And press Approve. Okay, now scroll back down and press Save and Continue. Now here we can set the price for our book. Do whatever you think your book is worth. And also check the expanded distribution. This way, you open up the possibilities to make even more money with your book, and then click on Publish your book. Now the Amazon KDP people will review your book, and it will be live in about 48 hours when I am not mistaken. And that's it. Now it's up to you. Create your own colouring books with AI and sell them on Amazon KDP. Have a lot of fun. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll never miss another Mr. Lemon video. And guys, be sure to become a member and get access to all the membership perks. See you in the next video. Bye.